Good day, YouTubers. I'm in the process of disassembling my project so I can take this plastic piece out and cut a hole in it for my glass. Now, I got a feeling it's going to be way too flimsy once I cut that middle out. I don't have much choice. If I can't work that, I'll have to build a wooden frame to go in there. But I had to take the sides off because there's no room to get to the screw right there. Unless you could just take one side off. No, that would never work. Let's finish taking it apart. I've come to the conclusion I'd be wasting my time trying to weld that plastic. We're going to try a hot glue gun and see if we can glue the glass to the frame. I could not find my good glue gun. It's around here somewhere, and I could look for it for a month. I found this old cheap dollar store looking thing. I'm going to put a weight on this glass and get it centered by the holes about the best I can. Put a couple glops of glue and see if it holds. I might have to put my glasses on. I'm even with the bottom hole, second hole. Right, just a smidgen. I don't know if I got a big enough area cut out or not, but I didn't want to make this plastic too weak. Let's put a couple drops. This glue might not be sticking to this plastic, I don't know. I might be wasting my time. Glue stick ran out. Well, my friends, for better or worse, right now it doesn't look all that great, but I stuck my glass in there with hot glue. Now we need to get it back in the machine. And get all the bolts put back on. We'll come back to you as soon as I get it assembled. I made kind of a mess with the glue. I've got it put back together. I just need to tighten it up and clean the glass the best I can. Well, come by hook or crook, we got some glass in there. I hope I don't have to cut more of that plastic off. I'd rather raise the camera up than I would to do that. Okay, the GoPro is stuck up right against the glass, and the wooden pieces are definitely in the field of view for the GoPro. We might as well go upstairs and get my other camera and see what it's going to look like. Alright, YouTubers, went upstairs and got my camera. It's later in the evening. Brought it down here and hooked it up on the tripod. Well, you can't even see that glass with your eyeballs looking through there. But it's there. I've got more to secure, more to do on this project. But we're getting close to our first test. Now, I want to put some screws or something, just as a safety precaution, because if that glue ever lets go, then my glass is going to fall out and break. But if I put a big head screw on both sides or something, or maybe a twist tie or zip tie or something on a couple of corners, I can save it from ever falling out. I don't know if I got any small zip ties or not. That's what I need. But I want to turn the camera on and see what our field of view is here. Don't forget, I can trim off a couple inches of this wood and not hurt a darn thing. Well, let's put it on something bright. That lamp over there would do it. It's going to work. I'm zoomed out. Zoomed in now. Let me wiggle the camera. Okay, you can see the wood if I turn the camera to the left a little bit. Right there, it's tuned out. Now, I was thinking I might have to zoom out just a little bit to get past that wood, but that camera is working just fine right there. We're getting real close to our first test. Well, let me turn it. It's not on record. Darn, I can't flip my... Maybe I can. Yeah, just got to be sneaky about it. How now, brown cow with the purple polka dots? We're getting real close to a test. Before I quit tonight, I'm going to find something. Nah, I might work on it a little bit more tonight. I don't know. We're getting there, my friends. Y'all stick with me. We're going to do a test pretty soon. Let's take my shirt and hang it right over there to black out the background. Yeah, that worries me that hot glue might not stuck to that glass very well. Before I quit tonight, I'm going to try to secure it in there better. It just occurred to me, that could be in the field of view. Let's turn the camera back on. Just the top edge of the wood is in the field of view. I could zoom out just a smidgen and it'd be gone. Or I can raise my camera up a little bit. That's going to be a minor adjustment. We're not going to worry too much about that. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. So Pwalpar kind of feeling proud of himself, knowing this thing might be going to work. We'll do a test real soon. Y'all take care.